Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack status active. Want to stay online on Slack while you work or take a break? In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to keep your Slack status active. Whether you're using desktop or mobile, let's go right into it. Now let's start by the first step, which is to manually set your status. And to do that, just go to your Slack app if you're using your mobile device, or if you're using your computer, go to your web browser and then go to the Slack website or use the desktop app. Now here, you're gonna click on your profile picture and click on preferences here that's next to the gear icon, and choose it, click on it. Let's scroll all the way down to the privacy and visibility section. Now here, you're gonna click on the option that says Slack Connect Discoverability. And here you can choose who can see that you use Slack. Here, so that people you know can find and connect with you. You can choose people with your email address or no one. Now here you're gonna click on people with your email address to stay visible. This helps your team know what you're up to. You can choose status like working or focusing and set it for custom duration. Now the second step is to keep the app active. On desktop, keep the Slack window open and interact with it regularly. Now on mobile, switching apps too often may set you as away. Now if you go and exit the app, this may set your status to as away. Now for the third step, you can prevent auto idle with mouse tools. On the desktop, use apps like Caffeine, Mouse Jiggler, or Move Mouse can prevent system sleep and simulate activity. Just install and run it while you work on other tasks. You can also use scheduled messages or reminders by sending /remind to yourself or the team to show you're engaged. And scheduled messages also keep your account active in intervals. Slack automatically sets you to away when idle, but by staying active in the app or using safe tools, you can keep your status online and your team in sync. Regularly check-in or emoji reactions also help show your presence. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.